Hey guys, what's up? I've been seeing that my my vlogs lately have been getting some good comments, and thank you guys for the support and the nice comments. And because I got 7 comments, well not 6, but I had one. I'm gonna be like Dan TDM did this once, but I'm gonna be shooting my relatives. I know this may sound weird, but I'm shooting with this. Yeah, this boy. Let's see how powerful it is. Actually, no, it's not. I shouldn't, but I really want to shoot it. I really want to shoot it, but in the morning, I'm gonna be firing this baby around. Look at this baby. Those are illegal fire. Just kidding. But they are powerful. I know it's so small. Not a lot of people buy the small gun, but I do. I got this for Christmas, and it's actually pretty. It actually hurts. It hurts. Me and my cousins had Nerf, and I beat them with this baby. And they had my rifle. They had the sniper, which broke. They had the other. I had the dual one. They were teamed up. They were camping up here, like up there. And yeah, and then I was down here in this section, so I was hiding there. And then I shot, and we were doing headshots only, right? And his head, and like one of my cousin's head was poking right out there. So I shot, and it reflected off the wall and hit him in the head. So, but then I had to reload, because for some reason I fired 4. So I was like, oh shoot, I gotta reload. I had no more ammo, so I had to run up, grab my ammo. But I did get hit like 4 times. But it all hit me here, 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 and here. Yeah, so, yeah. And, yeah, so, yeah. I'm going to shoot them with this in the morning, shoot my relatives. I'm going to be posting this. Sadly, I can't do any gameplay videos because my Xbox is busted. And my Xbox One S is not working, but yeah, so okay guys, I gotta go. I go to the school, Brentwood Park Tigers, so I have the shirt. Yeah, so I thank you guys for all the support, and leave a like and subscribe and comment in the down below. If we could just get 4 likes, that'd be awesome. It's nowhere near my birthday, so I was gonna be like, should I say birthday or not? Okay, so bye. Peace, guys.